Yeah. Hey. Yeah. Hey. Hey. Let's hit it. I've been running through the game like Mario. Universe smashing those bricks like Wario. Level up daily. Level up daily. You need some fruit, you can keep your Oreo. But it's vegan though.
Welcome back to another What I Eat in a Day Roto for Vegan video. But in this video, we're going to be talking about what are the best ways to track what you eat. Now, with weight loss, health journey, the more awareness you have towards, what you eat, what you drink, etc., when you go to bed, exercise, fitness, all these different things, the more likely you are to be able to make a positive change to them. We're not like trees because we can move, we can change, we can adapt. And awareness and health consciousness really does improve our ability to be able to make positive changes. So what would I recommend in terms of tracking down what you eat and stuff like that? So the first thing I would say is a food diary. So this could be in the form of a physical one or an online one, kind of like Chronometer. And I would recommend this because, it's very easy to do. You can track down what you eat, when you sleep, all these different metrics. With the likes of Chronometer, you can actually see your macronutrient and micronutrient breakdown, your carbs, fats, proteins, and your vitamins and your minerals, which is adds an extra layer of depth to that. And the second one is if you're working with someone, you just get them someone like a weight loss coach, PT. You just get them to basically do a 24-hour recall, what you ate the day before. And the whole aim of this is to be able to sort of get an accurate representation of maybe like 2 to 3 days of during your weekday and about 1 day of your weekend, because people like on the weekend, they like to turn it up. they like to eat a little different, maybe eat a little bit more processed, etc. So this is the best way I find. So 2 to 3 weekdays, 1 weekend, food journal or online, or get someone to do a 24-hour recall for you. But as always, peace, love, veganism. Hope this helps. I'm out.